Stickers. So today I'm going to show you how I made these stickers so you can make your own at home. First step, make your design. So once you've created your design, we just need to translate them to stickers. To get the best out of your stickers, there need to be a contrasting offset around your whole design, just so that your design is clear on any surface. Now I usually do that in Photoshop. So start by right clicking blending options, then go to stroke. Make sure the position is set to outside, and you can use this slider to thicken up your offset. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use Adobe Fresco to get a similar result. So start by creating a new layer and then move that underneath your artwork. For this I'm going to use the hard round brush, and then again you can choose your thickness on the slider and then start drawing around the edge of your design. It is a little rough, but it's just to give an idea of where the cut line will be for the shape of the sticker. So if there's a gap in your design, I'd recommend filling that area with the same colour as your outer edge, because if you had it for your die cut line, it might be tricky to peel off when you wanted to place your sticker. So I've run into that problem before with other designs. This is one that I would probably not revisit, just because it's got these dropouts and it just makes it a little bit tricky to peel off and stick. Proven it's tricky. And because it doesn't have an offset edge, the design just gets lost when you want to stick it on a darker background. Because we're printing these at home, we need to lay out the stickers on an A4 sheet. So the offset means we've now got a guide to get the artwork as close together as we can. That way we can fit as many on a sheet as possible instead of just guessing. I've got this gap left over that I'm going to fill with my logo, otherwise it's just going to be wasted space. But before we send this to print, I'm just going to turn off the offset layer because I want my stickers to have a white edge, and then we can start printing. I've got this sticker paper that I've found on Amazon. That way you can print your stickers off at home. So you can do it the more affordable way and just hand cut them. Come out really nice, just like that. Or if you're a little bit fancy and you've got one of those electronic die cutting machines, you can use that to cut out, and then they'll be perfect every time. So like these ones I've done. So these look pretty good. Hand cutting obviously takes a lot longer. If you were doing a bunch at once, probably using the electronic cutter would be a better idea. So there's my full set of stickers. I'm really impressed with the quality using the die cutting machine. These are a little bit smaller than the hand cut ones that I've done. So I think these are probably more realistic for sticking on like your notebooks, a bit more manageable. I think they've come out just as good as the professionally printed and die cut ones. So if you're interested in these, I'll put them on my store as a sticker pack. Really impressed with how they've come out, especially with the die cutting machine edge. So that's how I made these stickers. Let me know if you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.